Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to install a PCI Express graphics card here. Now as you saw in my other video that I explained how I got this card and what it is and how it changed over the years. So before I install that, I would like to show you guys this. This is a DVI to VGA adapter. I almost said HDMI. That's not correct. So as you can see on this end, you have a DVI plug and you have a VGA. Here is how this works. What you do is you take your card and you plug it in just like that. Now this is obviously a little bit backwards because I do need a cable to plug this in, but that's fine. I have one. I'll set that up a little bit later. So what you do is you take this, plug it in just like that. I know it's not totally correct right now, but I do have the parts. So when you're done, excuse me. So this will work. I just need some extra parts, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how to install it. So after this, what you do is if you have the same type of setup I do here with the KVM switch, you take your VGA in and you plug it in. Yes, I know it needs a few things, but I do have the adapters and cables, so it'll be okay. So how this works, you take your card. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but this is your PCI Express port. So what you do is you take your card, this might be a little tight for the case here because I do have some other things running. Oh, gotta move some cables out of the way here. Alright, line it up, push it down. So it is now in. So the way you would hook this up, I'm not sure if this power supply has it or not, is there's going to be, I don't think this power supply has it. It does not. So unfortunately, I thought this power supply had the PCI Express port. It does not. Power plug, but it does not. So what you would do in this case is you would, if you could see the plug right here, and what you would do is you would plug from your power supply into that plug. And once you do that, you'll be able to power it up. Now, unfortunately, this power supply does not have that, and I'm not going to keep the card in this computer, but I'm doing it to demonstrate how to install it. So now it's installed. So what you would do now is you would, this is, you've seen me use these before. I like to use these. So what you would do, put it in there just like that, and screw it down. And then what you would do is you would take your adapter, in this case, and plug it in, and it will work. So with that being said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.